If your toilet handle feels loose or doesn't return to its original position after flushing, then the issue might lie with the chain inside your toilet tank. So let's adjust that chain to ensure smooth flushing operation. After removing the tank lid and turning off the water supply to the tank, locate the chain connecting the handle lever to the canister on the flush valve in the middle of the tank. Check the chain's tension. In my case, the chain was way too loose, so the downward movement of the canister didn't assist in bringing the handle back up to ready position for the next flush. Go ahead and adjust the chain by moving the hook to a different length by making the chain a little bit shorter, ensuring there's about 1/2 inch of slack for optimal performance. Now it's time to flush the toilet to test the handle's movement and to confirm the chain is operating smoothly. Go ahead and make another adjustment if necessary. Then replace the lid and you're all set.
All right, here's our first test. Let's give it a try.
Now, if you feel the handle itself is binding up or has developed a squeak, as ours did, then check out this next video where I show you how to take apart your handle, put a little bit of oil on it, put it back together for a nice, smooth flush. That's it, folks. Until our next video, thanks for joining me here on Lenderman Shop. Take care.